You'd be surprised how many things we use every day that we don't know how to use properly. Some of them have secret functions or hidden tricks. Today we are going to show you 5 such objects that you've been using all wrong. And the truth about them might surprise you. Let's get started. 1. Your microwave oven. Microwaves are a staple in most modern kitchens, but many people don't know that they can do more than just heat up food. First, never use metal in the microwave. It can cause sparks and start a fire or injure you. Instead, cover your food with a microwave-safe lid or plate. Also, microwaves don't actually cook food. They simply heat it by causing water molecules to vibrate, which generates heat. This means that food heated in the microwave may not be evenly cooked and could have cold spots. To avoid this, always stir or rotate your food halfway through cooking. And don't forget to use a microwave-safe thermometer to ensure your food is safe to eat. Did you know that microwaves can also dehydrate food? This means that if you leave leftovers in the microwave for too long, they may become dry and rubbery. To prevent this, cover your food with a damp paper towel before microwaving. And finally, don't put anything made of styrofoam in the microwave. The chemicals in styrofoam can leach into your food and are not safe to consume. 2. Scissors. Scissors are another common household item that most people use incorrectly. Many people don't realize that there is a proper way to hold scissors when cutting, and doing it any other way can damage the blades or cause cuts. Always cut with the blades closed and only use the sharpest part of the blade for cutting. Dull blades are more likely to slip and cause cuts. Additionally, you should never use scissors to open packages or other non-paper items. Doing so can damage the blades and make them less effective for cutting paper. If you need to open a package, use a knife instead. But did you know that different types of scissors are designed for different purposes? For example, fabric scissors should never be used for paper, because the paper fibers will dull the blades more quickly. Using the right type of scissor for the job can help you get a cleaner cut and extend the life of your scissors. Finally, you should always store your scissors in a safe place where they will and be accessible to children or pets. Scissors can be dangerous if they're not handled properly, so it's important to keep them out of reach of those who can't use them safely. 3. Your smartphone charger. Many people don't know that charging their phones like this can damage their battery and reduce its lifespan. Allowing the battery to fully discharge too often can cause permanent damage and reduce the number of charge cycles it can go through. This can result in a shorter battery life and slower charging times. To avoid this, many phone manufacturers recommend keeping the battery between 20 and 80% charged at all times. You should also avoid leaving your phone plugged in for too long after it's fully charged. Overcharging can cause the battery to heat up and degrade faster. To prevent overcharging, use a timer or a smart plug that automatically turns off after a certain amount of time. But did you know that the placement of your charger can also affect how fast your phone charges? If you're using a wireless charger, make sure your phone is in the center of the charging pad for maximum efficiency. If you're using a wired charger, check that the cable is undamaged and not bent or twisted, as this can cause a bottleneck in the charging process. You should also make sure that your charger is providing the correct amount of power for your phone. Using a charger that provides too little power can result in slow charging or even damage to your phone's battery. Check your phone's specifications to find out how much power it needs to charge properly. Finally, you should never charge your phone in hot environments, such as in the back of a hot car or under direct sunlight. Heat can damage the battery and reduce its lifespan. 4. Your iron. Most people don't know that you shouldn't iron clothes while they're still wet. Doing so can damage the fabric and make the wrinkles worse. Instead, wait until your clothes are almost dry and then iron them. You should also never iron delicate fabrics like silk or velvet without a pressing cloth. The high heat from the iron can scorch these fabrics, so it's important to protect them. Pressing your clothes can help remove most wrinkles without extreme heat. However, if you need to use steam, make sure to use it sparingly. Too much steam can damage some fabrics, so it's important to test a small inconspicuous area first. When storing your iron, you should always keep it upright and away from water. This will prevent rust from forming on the sole plate and keep your iron in good condition. 5. Your mattress. Many people don't know that sleeping on an old or dirty mattress can cause health problems. Mattresses can harbor dust mites, mold, and other allergens that can trigger asthma and other respiratory problems. To prevent this, you should use a mattress cover that is made from a material that is resistant to dust mites and mold. These covers can help keep your mattress clean and prolong its life. You should also make sure to air out your mattress regularly by placing it on its side and letting it sit for a few hours. This can help kill dust mites and other allergens that may have accumulated on the mattress. Another thing you should never do is jump on your bed. Doing so can cause the springs to sag and damage the mattress. Instead, you can try using a bed frame with slats that are no more than 3 inches apart. This will help distribute your weight more evenly and prevent your mattress from sagging. You should also rotate your mattress every 6 months to a year to prevent it from developing dips or other signs of wear. This will help extend the life of your mattress and make it more comfortable to sleep on. Finally, you should never use a mattress that is too soft or too firm. A good quality mattress should be supportive and comfortable without putting strain on your body. If your current mattress is not providing the support you need, consider investing in a new one that is specifically designed for your body type and sleeping habits. By taking care of your mattress and following these tips, you can prolong its life and ensure that you get a good night's sleep. Thank you for watching. Please share this video with your family and friends so they, too, can learn how to use these objects properly. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative content like this. We wish you a happy and healthy life.